Hello and welcome to the box room. David Bradley here. We're going to turn on this magical joystick. And I'm going to try and find a game that maybe I can do well at. I don't know what the next one is. I've just been going through in order. So let's see what's next. Eliminator. Alright. Eliminator. Drive your advanced combat vehicle on a long and dangerous track to defeat the minions of the Eliminator. You know, now that I have the sound better, maybe that's a little too loud. Okay, defeat the minions of the Eliminator attacking your planet. Steer left and right to move the vehicle, steer around hard obstacles, shoot the enemies by pressing left fire. Rotating cubes provide new weapons, shown along the left side of the screen. Push the joystick up and down to select between your weapons. You start with a single shot cannon. You can add double shot cannons, side fire cannon, bouncing bombs, dual fire cannon, or one use smart bomb by collecting rotating cubes. Ride slope ramps to jump in the air and over obstacles. Okay. Along the right side of the screen, the yellow bar at the top shows your ammo status. The orange bar in the middle shows the remaining shield power. The bottom window shows remaining lives. Alright. Let's see here. So I'm on a road. So, I died. Was that a hard obstacle? Perhaps it was. I'll try and go between those things. I died. Okay, that was a hard obstacle. Let's see now. Okay, that's a hard obstacle. I'll just stay there. Which tells me that there will be a hard obstacle coming. There. Oh, that would have been good. Those are those cube things. Alright. Well, I think these are good things. I think. Oh dear. No! I should have gone left. Alright. Alright, so I gotta keep avoiding these things, and basically, if you jump too soon, okay, those are good things, I think. If you jump too soon, like here, no! Do I have to start again? Oh no, I'm where I was. Okay. Okay. So I think this is where things get testy. Whoa. Okay, gotta catch this thing. But I don't know what. Okay, I guess that was things I could have shot at. Okay. Okay, gotta make it through. Alright. We'll try again. Now I know. Stay in the middle. And I go to the side. Get way out of the way. Back. Oh, that would have been a good thing. Keep going. Catch those green things. Okay, made it through there. Made it through there. Oh dear. Okay, get the green thing. So we don't go right back to the beginning. But here comes the tough one. Gotta go through there. Gotta get through there. Gotta get around these guys. Oh, now I shoot. Okay, I shot things. Now what? Oh, those would have been good to get, but I didn't get them. Okay, we're in uncharted territory now. That's probably something I should have got. Something to avoid. Something to avoid. Something to avoid. Those are good things, I think. Oh man. Oh, okay, I can shoot those. Oh, I didn't shoot those. I could have got things. Okay, now we're cooking with gas. One of these things. Oh man. Okay, I guess I didn't get much of that. Nope. No. Avoid, avoid, avoid. Stop. Alright. Back to the drawing board. Maybe Fire Lord is next. Drive your advance. Oh, that was the Eliminator, sorry. Oh, X-O-Long. Okay, these are not. Oh, excellent. Guide your space commando to more than 100 screens to destroy the alien menace. Push the joysticks to the left and right to move left and right. Push up to jump, down to duck. Tap the fire button to shoot your laser to destroy larger targets. To destroy larger targets, hold the fire button to throw a grenade. In later screens, you can wear a hyper-alloy exoskeleton that protects you from most enemies for a limited time. Well, let's see. Alright. I guess I should duck. Do I want to shoot at that thing? It seems to be shooting at me. Am I stuck here? Why can't I? Alright. Oh, let's see. Can I shoot that thing? Guess not. What does the right button do? How do I get out of here? Game over. Okay, that was great. It's a beautiful looking thing. Excellent, guard. Your space commander. Push the joystick left and right to move left and right. Push up to jump, hold down to duck. Oh, hold the fire. Okay. Shoot. Hold the fire button to throw a grenade. Okay. Am I dead already? Oh, look at that. I threw a grenade. Okay. Now what? Where can I go? Oh, look at that. There's rocks. Okay. Ah. Gotcha. I can throw a grenade. Hold the button. Okay. What's that thing? Ah! Something came at me. Oh, okay. Maybe. Can I just get that thing? Oh, that's something I'm supposed to get. Okay, what do we got here? Am I dying? Am I dying? I guess I am dying. Okay, what is this thing? I don't know. That's something good. I can go through that. Perhaps. Oh! Perhaps I'm supposed to. Oh, did again. Perhaps I'm supposed to get on top of that thing when it's not there, so it can push me up there. No, it killed me. Alright. It won't go through there. Maybe. Do I go in here and go? Oh, lucky. Okay. Oh, and now I'm dead. Well, I did a little better. Okay. Down. Alright. Alright, so all these things. Take a grenade. Take a grenade. Now, there could be something coming through here. Try and get me as soon as I get that. Maybe. Maybe not. Oh, I only have. Ah! Did I die? I died. I knew something was coming. Alright. Alright. Did I die again? I don't think so. Okay, so now I've jumped up here. Something is going to try and get me though. So we need to shoot these balloon guys. Or, I guess we don't have to. Oh, that's a bad thing. That's a bad thing. That's a bad thing. I died. I died again. I died again. Okay, I gotta get out of here. Oh dear, I died again. Down, down, down. I died again. Oh, man. Okay, get down. Are they gonna come lower? Yes, they are. Well, that one at least I did a little better at, but not much. Oh, I'm remembering. Well, you know what? I really didn't spend much time playing a whole lot of games. There were some, but not these ones. Anyway, thanks for coming. We'll see what else we can find in here. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.